Parents, what's your best example of reverse psychology on your kids that actually worked? My daughter was going through a phase where she refused to eat anything I cooked. She'd throw tantrums demanding takeout every night, which we couldn't afford on my single mom budget. She'd even refuse her favorite foods if they came from our kitchen instead of a restaurant. One night, after she rejected my spaghetti, I had an idea. I set up a restaurant in our kitchen, complete with a paper menu and a tip jar. I even put on my nicest dress and grabbed a notepad. "Welcome to Mom's Diner," I said in my best waitress voice. "Would you like to see our menu?" She giggled, playing along. The menu had two options: Chef's Special Spaghetti, $15, or Deluxe PB&J, $12. When she ordered spaghetti, I brought out the same meal she'd rejected earlier, but on our fancy plates. I even added a little parsley garnish. Then I handed her the bill, using her allowance money. Her eyes went wide when she realized she'd have to pay real money for food. Or I said, "You can eat the family meal for free." She stared at her allowance, then at the bill. "Maybe I'll try the family meal tonight." From that day on, whenever she demanded takeout, I'd pull out my restaurant menu. Suddenly my cooking didn't seem so bad. Last week, she asked to learn how to make spaghetti herself. Parents, what's your best example?